Good news! Remember we were looking for a way in which we could use RSS feed to bring information into our Web 2.0 tools page. Well, I think I figured this out. Now I'm on our RWLD. I'm clicking on the Web 2.0 tools page. And you'll remember that down here at the bottom, in between each of these groupings, we wanted to make it so that anything that we tagged out there would show up. And I think I figured out how to do it. Now here's the deal. What we wanted to do was we wanted to begin by making it so that when we go out with Digo, we would highlight it with IT cohort 14. And then we would identify the tags that are in here, such as if we wanted in this group, it'd be organizing. In this group, it would be content collab for content collaboration, etc., etc. And you'll remember that we had 6, maybe 7 different ones along the way. So it turns out that this is called link tagging. And so we're going to go down here, and this is the process. I'm going to go down here now. I can do this on mine because I own this, but I'm going to click down here where I'm going to edit it. And now that I've edited it, I can either keep it in Compose so I can see these things, or I can go over to HTML. Now HTML can get very confusing for a lot of people, but things you might want to see are that this section right here is organizing and managing. This section right here is content collaboration. And after the organizing and managing, this is a set of the code that will put in the sections that we want. So let's figure out how we do this, okay? Well, let's go back here, and I'm going to go to the IT cohort 2014, which is where we are. I'm now going to go and take a look at the settings. And so if I go down here, where are the settings? So when I'm back here in the IT cohort 2014, I need to get into the settings. And the way that I do that is I go over here to where it says My Groups, and I find 2014, and here it says Manage. I go to Manage. And inside the Manage, it turns out that one of the group tools is called a Linkrolls. And if I go down here to Linkrolls, it will actually allow me to create something that looks like this. What I need to do is I'm going to take off the icon. I don't want the icon up there. I'm going to get rid of the title. And then down here, I need to identify, the one that we haven't done is curriculum sharing. And it just so happens that I created a list. These are all the little categories along with the terms that we were using, the tags we wanted to use. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to create, hang on a second, pull that over here, pull this over here. I'm using something over here that is called stickies. I'm actually going to go up and I'm going to turn this into a floating window so it will always be in the front. There we go. So what I need to do is I want it to go out and take a look in our group, and anything that says IT cohort 14, and I want it to say curriculum sharing or cur sharing. Oh, let's do media sharing. If it has these two tags, I want it to retrieve it. I want to make it so I can see as many as possible, so we'll put 20 down there, and then we're going to make this really wide. So I'm going to make it so it's 500, so there's a lot of stuff to the side. And I'm going to hit retrieve, and that's what it came up with. Pinterest, Flickr, etc. And so that's media sharing, and Pinterest and all that would fit into there. I've got it at 20. And so this is the code that I need to copy. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go over to Blogger. We'll find the right page. Here's the right page. And we're looking at media sharing. You see how it says media sharing right here? Okay. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to hit return a couple times. I'm going to post in that code that was there. And now I should go up here to where it says update, and it will update that code. I should be able to go over to here where it says view blog and click on Web 2.0 tools, and lo and behold, there it is, media sharing. And those are the pieces that come up there. So we were able to figure this out. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope that this is useful to you. Hopefully by the time you get to this and see this, you'll see that I've put this into each one of these sections.